Welcome to the physics of Earth and space. Physics is the foundation of all other sciences and uses mathematics to describe reality. In this course, you will learn about the structure and interaction of atoms, which are the submicroscopic electromagnetic building blocks of the universe and all life on Earth. You will learn about motion and how energy transfers when objects interact. You will research and gather data using critical thinking skills to answer questions like, how does wind and solar power harness energy? You will use experimental design and detailed observation to answer questions like, how do different kinds of waves become light, sound, Wi-Fi, and earthquakes? You will develop models and interpret data to understand the forces large and small that shape the Earth. And you will use the following tools along the way. We're glad you're here.